Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Jay's Work. I hope you all are doing well and are safe. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Jyoti. I create beauty and makeup related content. So if you like watching this kind of video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you get notified with my future videos. As we all know, Raksha Bandhan is on the corner, so in today's video, I'll be sharing this quick and simple Rakhi look for all my lovelies out there. So before we get into the video, I wish all of you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Enjoy your festive day and please be safe. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So skin prep is very important before doing any makeup. So first thing is cleansing your face. So for that I'm using the Dermaco AHA BHA cleanser. This is a foaming face wash and it has glycolic and salicylic acid with malic acid in it, which is really good for your skin, especially if you are having acne prone and oily skin. So mine is a combination skin and also acne prone, so this really works very good on my face. After face wash, moisturizing is a very important step. For that I'm using one of my favorite moisturizer, that is a Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is such a good moisturizer. It is very lightweight and also it is non-greasy, and it also gives a dewy finish to your skin that gives a natural glow. I've done a detailed video on this moisturizer. In case you want to check out, I'll share the link on the I button. Definitely go and check out. So I'm applying it all over my neck also, just to make it hydrated. Next is applying a sunscreen. I'm using the Lakme Sun Expert with 30 SPF. It is a fair enough kind of sunscreen. I won't say it is the best, but yes, this really works on every skin. So you can try it out, and 30 SPF is very good. It's not that bad. And what I really love about this sunscreen is that it doesn't leave any white cast. Just look at my face, guys. Do you see any white cast? No. Which is really a wonderful thing, and it's just available in every store, so you can check out. Next we are going to use the Swiss Beauty Illuminating Primer. This is such a good product. I've recently purchased this and I just really love this product because it gives a dewy look to your skin. If you're a dry skin type of a person, you can definitely go and check out this product because this will make your skin very dewy, and there is no chunky particles also, so it just makes your skin just glow from inside, that natural glow. It's really that good. Next I'm using the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. This is actually from Swiss Beauty brand, and I'll be using the this shade. Actually that is a grayish black shade. I actually don't know, I'm really bad at that. I'm using that shade to fill in my eyebrows because that perfectly matches to my eyebrows, and I really love powder products to fill in my brows because it is very easy, and also it gives a very natural finish also. It's just so easy. If you have done it before, you guys might be knowing it. After that I'm just using a spoolie to just keep my eyebrows in shape. That's all. Next we are going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is the perfect match for my skin. I just really love this foundation. This is so affordable and this is so lightweight, and it just blends very easily. If you're a beginner, definitely do check out this foundation because they are also launched this they have recently launched this sample pack, so you can just check out in case if you are gonna try it for the first time. And also there are 18 shade availables for all the skin types, so definitely you're gonna get your perfect shade. Don't worry about that. So I'm using a brush to blend my foundation, and you can see it just easily blends, and it just like it feels like I haven't applied any foundation. It just looks like my skin, which I really like about this foundation. It's so lightweight. It's just it also give a matte look. Just look at that. Next, I am applying a concealer from the brand Mars. I've recently purchased this. This is the first time using it. I think I'm in the shade medium beige. This is the exact match to my skin. It's actually very good. It blends easily. No, it is very creamy and it is not drying and all. It's a good concealer. I really like it, and I think this is very affordable also. I think it just retails for 170-190 rupees. In case if you want to check, all the links are in the description box, guys. This is a really good concealer. Yes, it is. Next, in order to set my concealer, I am using a banana powder from the brand Blue Heaven. It is sapphire powder or something. I like baking my under eyes, it just gives a natural finish, and that area is a little bit oily for me, so baking really works on me. I just really love this process. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just dusting off all the product from my face, and just this is my favorite step. This is just so satisfying. I just really love this step. I feel like a baby when I do this. I don't know about you guys, but I really do love this step. So I'm just dusting off all the excess powder from my face, and just look at that, guys. It just looks so good. Again, I'm going with the same palette, and I'm using this nude shade as my transition shade. It's all upon you, okay? You can use whichever shade you want to use. It's all up to you. So with the blending brush, I'm applying that as my transition shade, and after that I'm using this brick red shade and applying it on my crease to get that depth effect. If you want to intensify the shade, you can build it up. I just don't want that much of intensify because I'm just making this look for daytime look, so this intensity is fair enough for me. And I'm then using a champagne shimmery shade from the same palette, and I'm applying it on my lids using my fingers. It easily blends, guys. This is a very pigmented eyeshadow palette. If you're good in blending, then it just works wonderfully. And there are a lot of shades also. Next, I'm using the Blue Heaven sketch liner in order to draw a wing liner. If you're not an expert like me in drawing a wing liner, definitely check this product, because pen liners are very, very easy to make wing liners. It's really difficult with that liquid eyeliner. I think it's more easy with sketch liners because in one stroke most of the thing is done. So in case if you are not so expert, you can try this. Next, I am using a nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild to draw in my inner water line. So give that a bigger eye look. I love this. Next, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Actually, this is a waterproof mascara, and also it makes your eyelashes very curly and voluminous. It's really good. Next, I am using a lip and cheek tint from the brand Just Herb, and I think my shade is Peachy Coral. This is a wonderful shade. You can use this shade as your blush. I am using this as a blush. You can also use as your eyeshadow and your lipstick. It's just so good. It just gives a natural look. Then I am using a highlighter from the brand Mars. I am using this for the first time, and guys, I'm in love with this highlighter. Just look, it's just giving that beautiful glow, and it is not at all chunky. The glow was so beautiful. It just looks so natural. I really love the highlighter. Again, I am using the same lip and cheek tint from from Just Herbs, and applying it as my lipstick. It just complements my overall look. And then this jhumka, and this is the overall look, guys. I am very bad at doing hairstyles, so please just ignore the hairstyle and focus on the makeup. That's all, guys.
So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If yes, please do not forget to like and share with your friends and family, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Once again, a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you again in my next video. Until bye bye. Take care.